magical family, good magical sunny day. I hope you are good and happy. Long time I didn't do video. I must to say that I keep myself very busy with my personal practice because I feel inside myself this lifetime is important for this topic, because we have our action and to do to go to the new earth, I will call it. First, I have this feeling inside, and also it's funny because I'm listening or doing some practice or listening some people since many years, and all had a different way to go to his own reality. But today, all these people say the same things, and it's what I feel inside. So I go on this way. Many people say 2020 was a difficult year and horrible year or whatever. And I will say, not really. I mean, when the first confinement arrived, true, I got super stressed and afraid and all what I had to face with myself. And then I could say, oh, it was an horrible year. But then, from March to now, I done a very big quantic jump. And now I feel so peace. I can say, no, it was a very magical 2020 year. Because all these things were here anyway, but we were not so much aware of it. Why? Because we were born inside, and it was growing so slowly, like for us, it was kind of normal. I mean, of course, not completely, because from my 16, I started to go outside of part of the society, because I understood that, oh, but it seems so wrong, all what they say to me. But also, I was thinking a big part is kind of normal. And now, all this darkness becomes so strong that we cannot not see it. But it's here why? To bring us to awake to our sovereignty. So at the end, it's all perfect, because we could not continue this way. Like I listened recently that in the last 60 years we killed so much species of animal and plant, and we are completely destroying the planet. We are participating with the bank and all these things to create more arms, to kill more people. But then people put a mask to not get a disease, while so many people die all over the world because of human beings. So we were completely wrong. But it's okay, because we had to go so deep inside the 3D to experiment, because when you experiment and you understand via your experiences, you become it's become much more real. It's print inside yourself. So it's okay all what did happen, of course, but now really it's time we create something different. We were teaching since children to listen the rules, and so we were teaching since children to think if we listen the rules, we are someone good, and if we don't listen the rules, we are someone bad. But at the end, what is to be someone good or someone bad? I think it's someone living in harmony with the whole things, in total balance, happiness and love. Whatever are the rules, there is universe rules. We can see it because let's check our body. Our body is perfect, is the best factory you can find, and is do it by itself. Okay, many people get sick, but human being is done to eat the food directly from the nature. Not all this process and chemical are inside. This for why. And and look at the nature. Look at the vegetable, how they grow. Everything is so perfect. I can see I grow now some, I forget the name. Anyway, the pattern is completely geometrical and it's so beautiful. I look at it and I think, how it's possible, this beauty and perfection and this geometric pattern is made by the nature. So we have a lot to learn from the nature. And more we get in harmony with the nature and with the elements, more we listen our instinct, better we feel physically, mentally, we feel more happy, we feel more peaceful, we are more healthy. So let's do it. So I think today it's a very important lifetime to act regarding our believing, regarding the voice is speaking inside us. We can act each one on our way. Some people, they will do meditation to act in the non-visible world. Some people will go in the street to say no. Some other people will create the new world by eco-village, for example, or stuff like this. So each one has his duty to go and to help to bring the humanity to the new earth. So it's beautiful. It's a very nice time, very beautiful time. Let's do it all together. I love you.